Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Instagram to Shopify. First, make sure your Instagram profile is a business account and linked to your Facebook page. This is a crucial first step for enabling shopping features. Next, log into your Shopify admin and navigate to the Sales Channels section. Here, you will find the option to add the Facebook Sales Channel, which is essential for integrating Instagram shopping. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook account and select the correct business page associated with your Instagram. This sets the foundation for showcasing your products. Once your Facebook sales channel is connected, the next step is to create and sync your product catalog. Head over to Facebook Commerce Manager, where you can build a new catalog or connect an existing one. Shopify makes this process straightforward by allowing you to sync your entire product inventory directly to Facebook. After your products are in the catalog, you can start tagging them in your Instagram posts and stories. This transforms your visual content into shoppable experiences, making it easy for customers to discover and purchase your items directly from Instagram. With your catalog synced, it's time to activate Instagram shopping features. You'll need to submit your account for review through your Instagram settings. This process typically takes a few days. Once approved, you can enable shopping tags on your posts and product stickers in your stories, allowing customers to tap and view product details. Furthermore, you can set up an Instagram shop, providing a dedicated storefront directly within your profile. This offers a seamless browsing experience, guiding customers from discovery to purchase with minimal friction. To maximize your success, regularly monitor your Instagram shopping analytics. These insights will help you understand what products perform best and how customers interact with your shop. Consider running targeted Instagram ads to expand your reach and attract new potential buyers. You can leverage your product catalog to create dynamic ads that showcase relevant items. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Optimizing your strategy based on data will help you drive more sales and grow your Shopify business through Instagram.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.